तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर, जो कि चैप्टर नंबर 4 है। इसमें बेसिकली हमें दो चीज़ें पढ़नी है, जिसमें आपका एक तो है आपके एक्सपोनेंट्स और एक है उसकी पावर्स। तो बेसिकली एक्सपोनेंट्स होते क्या हैं? सपोज 10 people watched a video, each of them communicates with another 10 people to watch them. The total number of people will be 100. Suppose if 10 people watched a movie, 10 people watched the movie, okay, and they have again tell this thing to more 10 peoples. So basically 10 peoples watch the movie. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These 10 peoples have watched a movie, okay, and now this every 10 people will be telling to one people more. Suppose he has again tell to 10 people, he has again tell to 10 people, he has again 10 to tell people, he has again tell to 10 people, he has again 10, this also, this also, this also, this also, and this also. So now number of people who have watched the number of people who have watched the movie will be how many? 10 to the 10 into 10. Understand? They have 10 peoples watch the movie, they have told more to 10 peoples, okay, and this 10 peoples have told more to 10 peoples. Now what it will be? It will be 1000. Now the same movie, suppose X was the movie, now this movie first looking 10 people, but about the movie knowing is 1000 people. So that only basically from that we can say this means कि exponent and powers, okay. So basically what it came, suppose कि now this is what 10 into 10 into 10, which is equals to 10,000, and now if you will do it with the prime factorization method, then you will get what? 10 is to power 10. So basically this thing only if you are getting, means what you have to do, you have to multiply this 10 into 10 times, means this is a exponent and this is its power. How many times the exponent power is there, that number of times you will have to multiply the exponent. Means जितनी भी बार आपकी वैल्यू के ऊपर पावर लगी है, आपको उसी को वैल्यू को उतने बार मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है. सपोज यहाँ पे जैसे 10 की पावर 10 की पावर 10 लिखा है, या 9 की पावर 8 लिखा है, या 6 की पावर 2 लिखा है, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको इसको अगर इफ इट इज लाइक दिस, तो यू हैव टू जस्ट सिंपली 10 मल्टीप्लाई 10 टाइम्स. Understand? This is 3, more 10, and more 10. This is 3 and 10. Now the what value will be, we have written this short form, because अगर आप 1000 people को लिखोगे कि watch this movie, second watch this movie, third watch this movie, तो बहुत लेंदी हो जाएगा. तो इसी 1000 को शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखने के तरीका है ये, जिसको हम बोलते हैं एक्सपोनेंट और इनकी पावर्स. इन दिस चैप्टर इसके अलावा कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो आपकी नहीं समझ में आने वाला है. मोर ओवर क्या हो सकता है, फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में तो आपको सिंपली यही करना है. जो एक्सरसाइज आपकी 4.2 होने वाली है, उसमें आपको कुछ बेसिक मेथड्स के थ्रू इस वैल्यू को आपको निकाल के देना है. जस्ट सपोज अगर हम आपका 4.1 एक्सरसाइज ले लेते हैं, okay, if I have taken your exercise number, it is this exercise number is 1. So in this the question is saying कि find the value of each of the following. First question is around about 17 cube. Okay, exercise first, exercise 4.1. okay, this it is saying that you have to express the value of each of the following, and it is written what, 17 cube. Now you have to guess the value. So I have told you कि how many times the exponent is written with its power, you have to multiply it with it. Like if it is written to be this, so what you have to do in this, we have to multiply 17 3 times. Okay, 17 multiplied by 3 times. And after this, what you can do, you have to just simply do the calculation. Like first 17 into 17, that is 289, and then 289 into 17, which will be around about 4930. This is only your answer, correct? And after this, what your question is, here you can see the next question is saying you about 9. It's the next question is about 9 is to power 5. Now what we have to do, as simple I told you, simply you have to just multiply 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. Okay, so what we have to do is just nothing. Now you have to multiply it with, okay, you have to just multiply it, and after multiplying, what will you get will be the answer of this. Suppose 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729, 729 9s are, it is 6561, 6561 into again 9, it is 59,049. Is that clear? This is the expressing how to express these forms into this. And next what it can come, it can come कि this value will be given to you, you will have to convert in this value. Either you will have been given from this value, and from this value you have to take out this value. Okay, now we coming as on the second question. What it is saying कि express the each of the following in exponential form. Here what you can see is you have to express this thing in exponential form. Okay, that is 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8, which is equals to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is written as 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. You have been given this form, you have to convert it in exponential form. Exponential form means just now what we have done, you have converted the following value into the real value. Now what you have to do, you have to convert this thing into this thing. So here 8, how many times this has been written? This is 5 times. So here what the value will be coming? The value will be 8, as it is the 8, and how many times this is being multiplied? That is 5. The answer is this, 8 is to power 5. This will be your answer. Understand? And after this, what you can see over here is the next question is 4 upon, like we don't have this much time to elaborate everything. So what you can do is, so now what we have to do, the next question as I can see is saying that the value which is -5 bracket into -5 bracket into -5 bracket, this has been written. Now you have to convert it, what this thing you have to this is the exercise number, exercise is 4.1, question number second question. Okay, here it is saying, now again what you have to do, same thing, -5, how many times this has been written? So one thing remember, whenever we will be removing the bracket, this -5 will be getting converted in 5. So what we have to do, that it will be it will be normal 5. And how many times this has been multiplied? This has been multiplied 3 times. So what will be the value? This. Okay, this will be your answer. And after this, this is saying the second question number, second, third part. It is minus 3 bracket into, sorry, this bracket removing, the sign will not be changed because this is in the multiplication form, not in the addition or subtraction form. Okay, so now what here it will be minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into a into a into a into a into b into b. This is the question. Okay, now what we have to do in this, you have to just simply write it. How many exponents you can see over here? One is minus 3, another is a and third one is b. So just simply what you have to write, that is minus 3. How many times this is 3 into a, how many times it is 4, a ki power 4 into b, how many times 2, that is b square. This is your answer. Okay, now from here the next question is coming, that question number, that is 4. It is basically question. Basically it is 4 upon 11 into bracket 4 upon 11 into bracket 4 upon 11 into 4 upon 11 into 4 upon 11 into 4 upon 11 into 4 upon 11. This is the thing. This is 6 times, correct? 3 3 6 times. This is 3. Oh, sorry, 1 by mistake I have written. Let it be, leave it. Okay, now what we have to do, express each of the following in the exponential form. Now what we have to do, you have to express it in exponential form. So what we can do over here is ki just simply write everything. How many times this is? 6 times, right? So what we have to do, 4 upon 11 is to power 6. Is that clear? Okay, now I have just solved 5, second, third, fourth. Okay, now I will not be solving more than this, rest you all will have to solve. Now we are coming on the question number third, 4.1 question number third. What the question number is saying, that this is simply saying to simplify it. Okay, simplify means the question is given, you have to make sure it is in the simplest form. That if it is written 7 square into 2 power 5, so what we have to do over here is, you have to just simply multiply and solve it. हमें इसको बस सिंपली सिंप्लीफाई करना है. दैट इज हमें क्या लिखना है, 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, दैट इज 7 2 टाइम्स है, 7 इंटू 7 2, 5 टाइम्स है 1 2 3 4 5. Now you have to just simply multiply it. 7 7s are 49, 49 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. Multiply this. After multiplying, you will be getting your answer. That is you will be getting your answer 1568. 1568. This will be your answer. Okay, you have to just simplify, multiply, not more than this. You have nothing you have to do. You have to just simplify it. That is 7 into 7 49, 49 into 2 this much time, that is 42. 1568. This will be your simply answer. Okay, and after this the next question is saying that chalo, one to this I have done for the positive form. Now one more question I am doing, that is question number third. Okay, this was question number first, this is question number third. In this what it is saying, minus 5 power 3 into minus 10 to the square. Now what we have to do, we have to just nothing else, just simply minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 10 into minus 10. Now what we have to do, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125. And first of all, every time remember, whenever you are just minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, so at the last whatever will be the value, you will be getting a positive 1. Every time you remember this code. Okay, if it is minus 1 into minus 1, this answer will be this. And after this, like you can see over here, minus 10 into minus 10, that is obviously 10. 10 tens are 100, but 100 in the positive form, not in the negative form. Why? Because I told you minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will give you the answer 1. Same as over here also, minus 5 into minus 5 will give you 25, and 25 multiplied by minus 5, that will also give you the value only positive. Is that clear? That will also give you the value positive. So now what we have to do, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125 into, just simply you have to just multiply it by 100. And what your answer will be coming, 12,500. Simply this will be your answer. Okay, is that clear? There in simplification there is nothing more than that. You are all worried about this much. Now after this we coming on your next question. One more I am solving it for you, that is your question number 4, which is saying minus 8 to the power 2 into minus 3 to the power 5. In this what we can do, key minus 8 you have to multiply how many times? Obviously this is 2 times, means minus 8 into minus 8 into, now it is minus 3. What we have to do, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. And again the same formula I told you, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 gives always you a positive 1. Now what we have to do, minus 8 into minus 8, that will be 8 8 is 64, positive 64 into 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27, 27, then again multiplied by 3, 27 multiplied by 3, then what you get, 27 multiplied by 3, you get a simply 81, 81 now multiply by 81 multiplied by 3, that is 243. Means what we have to do in the last, you have to just simply 64 multiply by 243. Your answer is coming 15,552. This is your basically simplify valued of your this equation. Okay, is that clear? Now let's come on your question number 4 part. Again this is the only simplification. Okay, now question number 4, this is also your again the simplification. Now in this simplification, just now we were doing about the positive value, but in this, as you can see, this is a fractional form. This was the normal form. Now you have to just solve all this in the fractional form. Simplify, that is question number 4, first part. In this also you have to simplify, but earlier what we have done in this question, wait, let me show you. In this question we have done, this was a single number, not in the fraction form. Now we have to just simplify this thing as it is simplified over here. You have to simplify in the fractional form. Simplify in the fractional form. Okay, fractional form. Here what you can see, the question is saying, first question which is coming in question number 4, first part, it is saying 3:5, which is 4 times. Now you do not have to tolerate or getting in tension ki now how will you solve, you have to solve just the normal value, you will not be able to solve this fraction. Simply what we have to do, that is 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. This is the simply way. Now what we have to do, just this is in the fraction form, nothing you have to do, just you have to simply multiply the numerator and write it over here, and multiply the denominator, write it over here. Now as we can see, then multiply the numerator, 3 3s are 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81, correct? This is 81, and now this is 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125, 125 into 5, that is 625. Okay, this is 625. Now what we can do, this answer is coming 625. Okay, this is only your answer. This is not a just something which is very horrible or something you will not be able to do. After this, your question here comes the second question, which is saying that this question number 4, second part is saying that is minus 4 into 7. Is that clear? Minus 4 into 7. Now simply what we have to do, you have to just nothing to worry about, you have to just simply multiply it. Minus 4, this is saying, sorry, I didn't wrote the power, this is saying about the 5 times. Just simply what we have to do, you have to just simply multiply this, that is minus 4 upon 7 into 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 minus 4 upon 7. Again that same thing, multiply all the denominator right over here, multiply all the denominator right over here. Okay, and this will be your required answer. And what is your answer coming over here, for the 16, for the 64, for the 249, minus 1024, and then you will have to multiply 7 to the 16, that is 16807, correct? This is your required answer. This was nothing this much tough or something like that. Now the next question, what it is saying, key identify the greater number in the following pairs. Question number 5, what it is saying, you have to just identify, okay, what is who is the greater number in the following pairs. Okay, so in this you will have to do just nothing, you have to just take out the value of the exponent with their multiplying with their power, and just you have to see which one is greater. Like in question number 5, first question is saying that is 4 is to power 5 or 5 is to power 4. So just simply you have not to do nothing, you have to just simply multiply it. Means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, this, and then 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Simply you have to just take out the value. What the value is coming over here, here value is coming, you have to just simply multiply. 4 for the 16, for the 64, 64 into 4, that is 256, and 256 into 4, that is 1024. And now same as you have to do here also, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125, 125 into 5, that is 625, 625 into 5, that is 3125. So now you all tell me which value is the greater, 1024 or 3125. So obviously 3125 is only the greater, and this is the value of which 5 is to power 4. So basically in question number 5, which one is the greater, that is 5 is to power 4 is the greater, and 4 is to power sorry, I have done a mistake over here. 5 is to power, this is 4, not this. So 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125 into 5, that is 625. So here it is 625, not this, sorry, by mistake, it is 625. Now you tell me 1024 is big or 625 is big. So obviously 1024 only is big. So now what we can do, now what we have got, 4 is to 5 is the greater number, whereas 5 is to 4 is the smaller. Suppose If in the exam it is asked how find the smaller, then what we have to do, you have to write this answer, and if it is asking about the greater, that this will be your correct answer. Okay, is that clear? Okay, now we are moving on the second part of this question, that is saying 7 is to power 2 or 2 is to power 7. So basically you have to multiply 7 into 7, then you have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 2. Now here what will 7 is the 49, and here what value it will come, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 32. No, sorry, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128. Now you all tell me which value is the greater. Obviously 2 is to power 7 is the greater. Okay, and 7 is to power 2 is the smaller. Okay, if you all want to take a screenshot, you can take over here. This is the solution. Now as we are moving on the question number 6 part, express each of the following products, express each of the following number as a product of power of their prime factors. Okay, this is also not this much difficult as you are might be thinking. Now here what you can do, question number 6 is saying that, this is the exercise 4, question number 6. This is saying कि express each of the following number as a product of power of their prime factors. Now in this simply you have to just take out the exponential form of a number by a prime factorization method. Prime factorization, I know hopefully everyone might be knowing. So this coming on directly the solution, this is written 625. Now what we can see, the back side of it is a 5, and we all know 5 is only divisible by 5. So what we have to do, you have to just simply start the prime factorization through multiplying. Here what we can do, obviously if it is the 5, so we cannot multiply it with the 2. Why? Because multiplying with 2, so it will obviously remainder give, it will give a remainder. So in this case what you can do is, you have to think a number from which you divide the 625, so it will get completely divided without leaving a remainder. So what you can see, 5 can be divisible by only 5. Rest no any another table is there in which 5 is only the multiple. So now you have to start multiplying it with 5 only. Okay, so multiply with 5, 5 1 is 5, carry 1, that is 5 2 is 10, then again 5 5 is 25, then again multiplied with 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5. So from here 625 value what you can get, that is 1 2 3 and 4, that is 5 is to power 4. This is your answer. Understand? This was the simple, just follow the instruction given by the question, you will be getting your answer easily. Now we can try for the 484. The next question what it is saying, that is 484. Now again you have to solve it with the prime factorization method, like 484. Now you can see this is the last digit is 4, which is divisible by 2. So obviously we can start dividing it by 2, because we know 2 divided by 2 will not arrive a remainder. So here what we can do is just simply start dividing it with 2. Suppose 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 to the 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 to the 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 1 is 2. And again here you can get now this is coming this. Okay, Now tell me one more number from which this will be completely getting divided. That is number 11. Now what we have to do is that you have to simply multiply it with by 11, because 121 is the value which cannot be divisible by any of the number leaving 11. Now what we have to do, that is 11 into 11, okay, and then 11 ones are 11. Now from here 484 prime factorization method, what we get the value is 2. How many times this has came? That is 2. So 2 की power 2 into 11. How many times it has came? It is 11 into power 2. This is your answer. Okay, this is question was also so much easy, not this much difficult or something like that. Now what we have to look out, that is now one more I am solving, that is 16,900. This is quite a like so much big value, so this will need some space. That is 16,900. Now you have to just simply prime factorize it with the actual number. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just start prime factorization method, and just we have to see from which number it can get divided easily. So let's start with 3. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so if we start from 3, what we get? 3 5s are 15, correct? That is 3 5s are 15, carry 1, that is 3 6s are 18, then 18, then 2 carry. Okay, I'm telling again, 3 5s are 15, 1 goes to carry over here, now that is 19, 3 6s are 18, now 1 it was here, then what it can be, 3 3s are 9, 1 10 it was, now 1 more carry over here, now again it will be 3 3s are 9. Okay, सॉरी यहाँ पे एक मिस्टेक हुआ है, 3 से नहीं, हमें 2 से इसको स्टार्ट करना है. ठीक है, नॉट अ बिग डील. फिर से हम इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, फिर से हम लेंगे 16,900 को. नाउ अगेन वी हैव टू डू इट विद द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2. सॉरी फॉर दिस. फ्रॉम 2 8 is 16, right? Then 16, 2 4s are 8, 1 it has been carry over here, that is 10, 2 5s are 10, and 0 as it is, it will be here. Understand? Now again we have to solve it with the 2 only, because we can see this will be divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, it is again 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. Now what we can see here, now it has came 5, so it will not be divisible by 2 as well. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply it with by 5, that is 5 8s are 40, carry 2, 5 4s are 20, again carry 2, that is 5 5s are 25, and again this is 5, so again it will be divided by 5 only, that is 5 1s are 5, 3 carry, 5 6 are 30, that is 4 carry, 45, 5 9s are 45. Now again what we can see, this is now 169. 169 is this multiply divide by 13, so what it can be here, multiplied with it 13, that is okay. यहाँ पे 13 into 13, वीडियो में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. 13 into 13 that is 169, फिर इसको हमने 1 से डिवाइड किया, that is 13. आंसर इज 16,900 को जो हमने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड के थ्रू कन्वर्ट किया, तो उसका वैल्यू हमारा निकल के आया 2 का स्क्वायर, बिकॉज 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 टाइम्स, 5 का स्क्वायर दैट इज 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 2 टाइम्स, एंड नाउ दैट इज 13 का स्क्वायर, दैट इज 13 into 13. This is your final answer for this question. Now after this we can come on this question number 7. Question number 7, what it is saying that, now this question number 7, question number 7, question number 7, express each of the following as a rational number in the form of p by q. Means you have to express the following rational number into p by q form. That is again the same thing which I have told you earlier. You have to convert this 2 upon 5 square into q. this is overwritten, and what we have to do, you have to just simply convert it in an exponential form. Okay, exponential form, what it is like, you have to just, this is there, you have to just simply multiply it, like this is written over this. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to just 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5, 3 times it is, you have to just simply multiply it with denominator to denominator, numerator to numerator, that is 2 to the 4 to the 8 upon 5 5 to 25, 5 is 125. This is your answer. Question number 7th is also you have to do as the same. This was the question number 7's first part, and rest more I will be doing at the, now I have done it with the positive form, now I am doing it with the negative form. Negative form, what the question is saying, minus 3 upon 7 ka square. Now just simply what I have told, minus 3 upon 7 into minus 3 upon 7, every time putting a bracket every time with the minus part. Now what it is, minus into minus, that will be positive, 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. Now what your answer is, 9 upon 49. Understand? This is also clear. Same as it was, as I told you earlier, 9 by 49. This is your final answer. Now what we have to do, now we are coming on the question number 8 form. Question number 8. Question number, what it is saying, express each of the following rational number in power notation. Power notation, you can guess what it is. This is nothing, just you have to earlier like you have done over here na, this form, as I told you, this multiply by this, so you have this done this like this prime factorization method. So simply what we have to do, here it is written, question number 8 first part, that is 36 by 49. In this what we have to do, you have to just simply prime factorize the 36 and prime factorize the 7. So prime factorization from the 36, what you can get, prime factorize it with 36 prime factorization and this prime factorization. So here what will you get, here will you get 36 is the square of 6 and 49 is the square of 7, that is 6 upon 7 2 times. This is your answer. Okay, and next question it is, next what it is saying, next it is saying minus 64 by, that is saying minus 64 by 225. So now what you can see over here is 64, how it can come? Yes, simply you have to just find out the square of 64, whose square is 64 and 225 is the square or a cube. So from here what you can get is that 64, how can it be converted? That is 8 8 is 64 and 15 15s are, because 15th square is 225, 64 square is of 8, like 8 upon 15 ka square. Here this is your answer, here this is your answer. Understand? Simple. Now rest everything you will be doing. Now I am coming on question number 9. Question number 9 is very simple, very simple. You have to just find the value of these questions. You have to just simplify the value, and after this I am telling you one thing, find the value. Question number 9, this is a little bit a typical, and this can come in your exam also, so you will have to practice for this. Minus 3 upon 2 square into 4 upon 5 cube into minus 12 upon 18 square. Okay, this is the question of your question number 9. In this what I can see, you have to just simplify it and then you have to give the required value. Simplification can be done in so many ways. This way I am suitable. What we have to do, you have to just first everything expanding, then you have to cut over everything. After this you can get the exact value. Like suppose I am telling you this thing, value of this, value of this, value of this, you will be multiplying, you will be getting your answer. Like I am telling 3 square 9, 2 square 4 into 4 cube, 4 4 the 16, 4 the 64, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125 into 12 का square, that is 144 upon, and don't think about like minus 12 it is, so why it is positive again 144. I told you earlier time only कि minus 12 into minus 12, that is approximately a positive number. That now 18 का square it will be 324. Now from here what you can do, either you can shout out everything, cut everything, because these all are in the multiplication form, so obviously you can cut over here also. Okay, so let's start and let's check out the value. Or just simply more what you can do just simply multiply, and after getting the value then you can divide, but properly answer will not come. So this is the better way, you should cut over here only. Suppose if I am starting from 2, so that how can I get 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Done. Now it is 2 1s are 2, 2 16s are 32. Correct. Now again what you can see over here, that is 324. Okay, 324, again you will be cutting it with 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, this, and 2 8s are 16. Cut. Now what here it is, 9 upon 1 into 8 upon 125 into 144 upon 162. Now more it can be cut, obviously it can be cut more time. So now start more times cutting. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, that is 81. Okay, and then again 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81. Now what you can, from here what we have got, here we have done, that is 1 upon 1, that is finished. Now what we have got, 4 upon 125 into 144 upon 9, this we have got. Now again from here we can cut anything, we can cut, obviously we can cut, that is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 8s are 24. This has been cut. Now again what we have got, 48 into 4 upon 125 by 3, 4 upon 125 into 48 by 3. Now more it can be cut, it can be cut. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and 6 3s are 18. Now it is, what it is, 4 into 16 and 125 into 1. This is the actual thing. Now what we have got, 16 4s are 64 upon 125 into 1, that is 125 is the answer. Okay, question number 9 is been solved. This was very simple, very easy, and the answer has came this. If you all want to take a screenshot, you can take over here. I'm just making a more wide angle to see everything. Okay, done. Chalo, now we can come on the question number 10. Question number 9 was this much easy. Any problem? If any problem is there, so kindly tell to me, I'll explain it again. And if you all want, so I can give you a specified definition also of all these descriptions. Okay, now what we have to do, this question number 9 is been solved, and after this we have to solve the question number 10. Question number 10 is also very much easy. Question number 10, this is, it is saying if A is equals to minus 2 and B is equals to 3, then find the value of each of the following. Here are given you the value, A value this and B value this. Sorry. Now first question is A minus B की power 4. Now what I have told you, that here what it is, now you have to just simply put out over the value. What it is, either you can solve here then you can put, or either you can just simply add, then you can give your answer. Okay, this depending upon you how you have to solve this. Like I have told you, okay, so now we can do, if you want to convert it, so you can convert it also, like first A into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then b 3 into 3 into 3 into, like this also you can solve. But what we have to do, you have to just simply put out the value over. This will be easy for you. Suppose a value it is minus 2, means minus 2 minus 3 value, b value it is 3. Now I have told you, like if minus and minus is there, so it's already become plus. Okay, now minus minus plus, obviously you have to plus and sign will be of minus. Okay, minus minus, this is plus, that is 3 plus 2 5, that is minus 5 की power 4 times. And I told you minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, that is every time a positive number, that is 5 5 25, 5 125, 5 is 625 is the answer of this question. Okay, you have to just simply put the value of a and b, then you have to just simply solve like I have told you, and after this you will be getting your desired answer. After this, what I am looking, this is question number 11. Okay, give examples. A number with base 10 and exponent as an even number. Now you have to tell a number whose base should be 10 and exponent as an even number. Means you have to just simply write the number whose base should be 10 and its power should be even. Question number 11, what it is saying in the first part, a number with the base 10 means, I told you na, if it is written to be 2 power suppose 3, so in this is the power and this is the base. I told you na, this is the base and this is the power. This is the base and this is the power. Now question number 11, this is saying write a number whose base should be 10, means he has given already a base to you, that is 10, and whose power should be an even number. Means even number means 2 4 6 8 10, like this. Okay, so it's simply you have to just write a number. So if it is saying you to write number 10, 5 numbers, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, so you can give. But if it is not told, so 1 or 2 number you can give. Suppose 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 4. This is the required. And after this it is saying number with the base of a negative integer and exponent as 3. Now it has told you that number with the exponent integer with the base in negative integer and exponent as 3 means integer. Integer, I told you कि this should, integer is the value which divides by integer is a number which has only one divisible number, which is one only divisible by, this is a one number, or this number can be divisible by itself. This is called integer. In this what we can do, like suppose this is minus 21. Minus 21 can be divided only by 3 and by its 21 only. Rest no in any table minus 21 is coming. Okay, and after this is number, it can be minus 42 also. He has told minus negative integer with the power exponent 3. This is the answer. And one more you can take, that is minus 42 is also an integer number, that is again you have to put the power of 3. This is your 11th question, second part. Now it is saying 5-digit number written in expanded form in the terms of power 10. 5-digit number written in expanded form in terms of the power of 10. You have to write a 5-digit number whose exponent power 10 will be 5 times. Means we have to suppose guess a number whose expanded form in the terms of power 10 means ki his power should be 10, and after 10 you have to expand it in form. This should be a 5-digit number. So in this you will have to guess a simple number whose multiplying you will get an answer in the exponented form. Suppose you can take the number that is 50216. Now if you will expand this number, it will be 5 into 10 की power 5 into 10 की power 4, then 2 into 10 की 2 into 10 की power 2 plus 1 into 10 की power cube plus 6 into 10 का power square. Okay, you have to write like this, and this whole exercise is solved. Exercise 4.1 is finished. Now we will start with the exercise 4.2. Okay.